Dublin, the vibrant capital of Ireland, is a charming city offering a unique blend of history, culture and natural beauty. Located on the east coast of Ireland, Dublin is renowned for its rich heritage, warm hospitality and stunning scenery. As Ireland's largest city, Dublin has a population of over 1 million people. It serves as a center of commerce, education and tourism. The city's picturesque landscape is characterized by the River Liffey running through its heart and numerous lush parks such as Phoenix Park and St. Stephen's Green. Dublin's tourism industry attracts millions of visitors each year, who come to see its iconic sights and immerse themselves in its vibrant atmosphere. From historic sites such as Dublin Castle and Trinity College to cultural gems such as the Guinness Beer Depot and Temple Bar area, there is no shortage of sights to see. Those who want to experience Irish music and nightlife should definitely check out Temple Bar with its lively pubs hosting traditional music sessions. Dublin also hosts various festivals throughout the year, including the St. Patrick's Festival, which celebrates Irish culture on a large scale. To summarize, Dublin is a charming city with something for everyone. Whether you are interested in exploring historical sites or immersing yourself in Irish culture, this vibrant place promises an unforgettable experience for all who visit.